how to cancel an Uber Eats order. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can cancel an Uber Eats order, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to cancel an Uber Eats order, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, just make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here. Once you launch the Uber Eats app, you're going to see this type of interface. The process of a cancellation on Uber Eats depends on various factors. If you've ordered something, the restaurant has already prepared the order and it's being ready to deliver it to you. Because the food has already been prepared, you will be charged some type of fee in order to cancel it because the food has already been prepared for you. If the food hasn't been prepared, then in that case you're lucky and then you can still cancel it. For this, just make sure to launch the app, tap the baskets option from the bottom right. Once you tap this option, just make sure to tap the orders tab from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the orders tab from the top right, you're going to see this type of interface where you'll be able to see all of the orders that you've made. Go to all orders and then just select the order. If there's any specific type of order that you've made, you'll be able to find the cancel button right next to it. This way you can cancel your Uber Eats order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.